Hi guys, and welcome to the Family Fudge. Today I have quite the haul to share with you. I ended up going to 5 different stores today because I wanted to get everything checked off my list. I need to make school lunches, I have a party that I'm planning, and I have meals to make and things like that. So stay tuned and I will share it all with you.
The Family Fudge, the Family Fudge. They are mostly sweet but full of nuts.
So for this shopping trip, I actually got to go all alone. The kids stayed home with my husband and it was really nice and peaceful. And I'm testing out my new dash cam here for the camera and it looks pretty good. So yes, totally hands-free with the camera. So my first stop today was at the Dollar Tree. I am co-hosting a luncheon this weekend and I definitely like to check here for party supplies first because you get a better price. One of the things on my shopping list is flowers. I want to get a lot of flowers for some DIY budget centerpieces, and I'm loving the options at the Dollar Tree right now. They are so cheerful and colorful, and there's so many options. And they have a great assortment of vases as well. I definitely want to pick up some of these. After that, I definitely wanted to check Party City. They're a little bit more pricey than the Dollar Tree, but the selection is huge. I was hoping to find paper plates, napkins, cups, everything that I would need for this luncheon. But I was definitely checking out the Valentine's Day items as well because they are so cute and they were on sale. Another great thing about Party City is you can find a huge selection in a certain color. No matter what color you're going for, you can really find a lot of choices to color coordinate your party, which I am always a big fan of. But what I never buy at Party City are their balloons. I try to get those from the Dollar Tree. They're not as big, but they're much cheaper. Next, I'm heading to one of my favorite stores, Trader Joe's. I'm definitely working on a separate video telling you all of my favorite items from Trader Joe's, so stay tuned for that one. Now, one of the things that always gets me before I even enter the store are the flowers. I love the flowers at Trader Joe's. Now for this luncheon, I'm not actually in charge of the food. So at Trader Joe's and at Costco today, I'm just gonna pick up things I need for making lunches and dinners for the next week or so. Now by the time I made it to Costco, it was super crowded, so I decided not to film in there. You guys know what my Costco looks like, so let's head on home and I'll show you everything I picked up. So believe it or not, you guys, I ended up going to 5 different stores today. I went to the Dollar Tree, to Party City, to Walmart, to Trader Joe's, and finally to Costco. Before I get started, I think I'm gonna go ahead and take the party supplies off the table and show you those last. That way it'll be a little bit easier to show you all these little things. Okay guys, now that we have a little bit more breathing room on the table, I'll go ahead and show you what I got from Walmart first. Starting back here, I picked up this triple combo set of shampoo and conditioner, and then this is a deep leave-in conditioner. When you buy it in the bundle, it's a little bit cheaper. And I don't really care necessarily about the brand of shampoo. For me, it's all about how it smells and the price. Over here, I also picked up 3 packages of the Walmart brand pizza crust dough, which I've never tried before, but hopefully it'll be good. I also picked up some chocolate pudding mix. This is gonna be for a Valentine's Day recipe. And this is the Godiva brand, which I've never tried before, but hopefully it'll be extra chocolatey. I also picked up a box of these Sweetheart Conversation hearts, which I actually don't really like to eat at all. These are more for a Valentine's Day decoration that I'm gonna make with the kids, hopefully. Back over here, I got a little thing of milk to go in the pudding. I also picked up 3 different cans of beans. We have pinto beans, black beans, and dark red kidney beans. I'm gonna be making some delicious chicken tortilla soup in the future. I also got 2 packages of the turkey pepperoni. For whatever reason, they've been sold out of this for quite a while, so I made sure to get 2 packages this time. I also got 2 boxes of the Annie's shells and white cheddar, just for an easy meal for the kids. And then I got a lot of different kinds of yogurt. Over here I have Griffin's favorite. I like these because he'll actually eat half at a time and I can put the lid back on and he can feed it to himself without it being too messy. So we have one in the apple and blackberry flavor, one in the strawberry, banana, and oats flavor, and then this one is the banana, mango, and spinach flavor. Over here I have some drinkable yogurt. This is the Oikos vanilla flavored yogurt. And then I got all of these Tillamook brand. These are gonna go in the kids' lunches. So I picked up 3 of the vanilla, 3 lemon, 3 key lime, 3 blueberry, and 3 of the Marionberry. It's like my own army of yogurt. Moving over here, I picked up a bag of the mini chocolate chips, some baking cups. I really liked all the different colors in here. And then Mackenzie was asking for a new journal, so I picked this one up for her. This was only $2 and it's really cute. I think she's gonna love it. I hope she does. I also got some sticky notes for myself and this cute little squeezy bottle that I'm hoping to make some pancake art with. Doesn't that sound fun? I also picked up some raspberries, some blueberries, some strawberries, and some grapes. And then I almost forgot to show you the Pocky. This is one of my favorite Japanese snacks. It's basically like a little biscuit with chocolate on it, very tasty. It's gonna go in one of the kids' school lunches. Definitely a fun treat. Oh yes, and this guy was totally hiding out with the stuff from Trader Joe's, but it was from Walmart. This is the Bertolli Organic Creamy Alfredo Sauce that I'm hoping to put on some pasta for an easy meal for the kids. Now moving right along, here are all the things that I got from Trader Joe's, but I have a quick tip, you guys. Since I knew I had several stores to go to today, I went ahead and brought an ice chest with me and kept it in the car so I could put things in there like the chicken and the dairy products and the cheese so that they wouldn't get hot, they wouldn't go bad. So if you're gonna be gone all day, definitely bring an ice chest. So I'll go ahead and start back here. First up, I got a bag of baby spinach, a bag of veggie straws or sticks, whatever you like to call them. I also got some of this purple maize cornflake cereal. This is really tasty and not sugary, but the kids still like it, surprisingly. I also got some cheddar rockets. These are just like goldfish crackers. And then I also got some of the creamy tomato soup crackers. Now these ones happen to be gluten-free, so that is awesome. Everyone in the whole family can have them. And speaking of gluten-free, I also got some of the toaster waffles. I like to make my own waffles, but these are just so darn convenient. And it's less than $2 for this whole box. Over here, I picked up a small bunch of bananas, which Griffin has already eaten one from this bunch. And I also got some frozen, lightly salted edamame. The kids really like these, and they're really convenient. I can keep these in the freezer and just defrost how many I need for that day. Now this was a new purchase. I'm not sure if it's going to be good, but it does sound interesting. This is the tahini, papita, and apricot slaw kit. So it comes with everything you need, including some purple carrots in there, so it looks really tasty. I also got some black bean pasta. Also, we've never tried this before, but it's gluten-free and it looks like a fun, interesting thing to try. I also picked up 2 different boxes of the cereal bars. We got the blueberry flavor and the mango. Now speaking of fun things to try, this definitely caught my eye. This is the Rose Water Facial Toner. I think this was about $3 and it just sounds really refreshing and fun. So I'm excited to give that a try. Then I also picked up some applesauce. These are the really fun little cups. They're perfect for lunches, especially when I don't have fresh food on hand. These are easy to throw in. This one has wild berries and this one has cinnamon. And then I got more yogurt. These are the Greek whole milk yogurt in the apricot mango flavor. So if Griffin is feeding himself, I will give him one of these. But if I'm feeding him, I can, do this. I can give him this. I also picked out one little hummus to try this week. Trader Joe's has so many different flavors to choose from, so I went with the tomato and basil this week. Over here I have some little mandarin oranges and some grape tomatoes. Over here I got lots of fruit leathers. We have apple strawberry, apple blueberry, apple raspberry. The kids love these and they're about 49 cents each, so it's definitely a treat in the lunch box. Then I also picked up these little chicken nuggets, which are gluten-free, so I'm excited to give those a try. I've heard good things about these. Now lastly, I also picked up some fancy shredded Mexican blend cheese and some freeze-dried mangoes. Now on to the things from Costco, and I have a confession to make, you guys. I went to Costco today and I did not have my Costco card. I was totally not prepared, but luckily they can go ahead and print you out a temporary one if you do forget yours. So it wasn't a huge deal. I didn't have to go back home or anything. So I'll go ahead and show you what I got from Costco, and then I can show you all of my party stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with these really pretty dresses. I've been eyeing these for quite a while. These are $16.99, so they're not too bad. And I got one for Lily and a matching one for Mackenzie. My girls are still at the age where matching is okay. They're okay with that, and so I'm taking advantage. These will be perfect for Easter and to wear to church. They're really pretty. Starting back over here, I got this huge thing of water, but these are actually the small bottles of water, which I think are great for a party or a luncheon. That way there's not as much wasted, hopefully. Then I also got some frozen yakisoba. This is definitely one of my favorites, and the kids like it too. This is basically just noodles, vegetables, and sauce. These are very, very good. I also got another thing of the 5-cheese tortelloni, definitely another one of our favorites. I got some whipped cream for Valentine's Day and other treats. I got some more eggs, a rotisserie chicken, some emergency vitamin C packets, and cheese. I didn't pick these up the last time we were at Costco, so I definitely needed them this time. We got the slices of Havarti and the slices of cheddar. I also got 2 big bags of the shredded mozzarella for some pizzas that we're going to be making. I got a double pack of the whole wheat bread, but my Costco doesn't normally have this brand, so hopefully it will be good. Definitely one of these are going to go right into the freezer. I also got some cottage cheese, some avocados, and asparagus. And I was really pleasantly surprised that the avocados were back down to $5.99. They had been $8.99. And the asparagus was on sale for $3.99. Last week it was $7.99, so definitely a good price this week.
And now for the party stuff.
Thank you, Jackson. So I ended up going to Party City and to the Dollar Tree because whenever I throw a party, I definitely try to keep the budget in mind. Here are the plates. We have the bigger size dinner plate and the smaller size dessert plate. I think these are so cute, and they're about $1.75 for the dessert plate and $2 something for the dinner plate. So we have lots of plates. Now to go along with that, I picked out the dark, this is sort of a navy blue roll of tablecloth. This is the plastic kind that just rolls out. So it's not the fanciest, but it's definitely good for a big party. It's disposable, so no mess when it's time to clean up. Now I also got lots of cups. I picked out the orange cups and the white cups because at Party City it's buy one get one free always. So all of these cups are about $8 for like 100 cups. That's pretty good. Now for this luncheon I only picked up forks because we're not really having any foods that need spoons or knives. So that was definitely a money saver to just go with the forks. So I got 100 of these orange ones to go with everything else. And then for the napkins, I went ahead and just kept those plain white. So I think it looks nice and crisp and clean. Now, these things aren't necessarily for that party. These things are for my family's Valentine's Day party. So we have a small little plate and some napkins.
And now all the things from the Dollar Tree. And can I show these vases? And
Sure, how many are there?
okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Yes.
We got 9 vases.
9 vases. I'm expecting to have 9 tables, so we're going to make a really easy centerpiece, starting with these vases, which I'm hoping to spray paint white. I just think white will look better, but they didn't have white at the Dollar Tree. Okay, and then I also got 10 of these little succulent plants. I love the way that these look. They are so nice. These will make nice party favors as well for everyone who's helping to put the party together.
And we got a lot of these yarn packs from the Dollar Tree right here.
How many are there?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And there's 9 of these.
Yep. I also got 9 bundles of the burlap ribbon for decorating the tables. And then back here I have all of these beautiful fake flowers. I love this sort of tangerine coral color combo. It definitely goes along with my color scheme here. And it was so much cheaper to buy these fake plants than to buy real ones. And obviously these are reusable, so I really love those. I think I ended up getting about $20 worth of flowers. Now, just to give you guys a sneak peek, I have one of the vases here that I'm hoping to spray paint white. And then if I put one little bunch of flowers down in there, we have a very nice little centerpiece. It only costs $2. You can put some ribbon around it. It'll be super cute. Now for this party, I also ordered a dozen balloons. I prepaid for them at the Dollar Tree. They have my name and my number. So all I have to do is go in the day of the party and hopefully they'll have them ready to go for me. So that is everything in the haul today. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up.
Thanks for watching. See you next time.